Hello everyone. Today, let's go on a journey back in time to one of the oldest and most fascinating civilizations in human history, the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, thrived around 3300 BCE to 1300 BCE in what is now modern-day Pakistan and northwest India. Spanning an area of over 1 million square kilometers, it was one of the largest ancient civilizations, alongside Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt. Its cities, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, stand as magnificent testaments to the advanced society that once flourished along the banks of the Indus River. Unlike many ancient civilizations that grew organically, the cities of the Indus Valley were meticulously planned. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa featured grid-like street layouts, with houses constructed using standardized mud bricks. The streets were wide and straight, and there was an organized drainage system, with drains running along the streets, a remarkable feature for that time. In fact, the presence of public baths and sophisticated water management systems indicates that the Indus people had an excellent understanding of hygiene and urban living. Secondly, the people of the Indus Valley had a highly advanced economic system. They were skilled in trade and commerce, as evidenced by the discovery of seals used for trading, and their extensive networks with civilizations like Mesopotamia. The Indus people traded goods such as cotton, beads, semi-precious stones, and textiles. They also developed an early system of weights and measures that helped regulate commerce and ensure fair trade. Another intriguing aspect of the Indus Valley civilization was its writing system. The Indus script, found on seals, pottery, and tablets, is still undeciphered. Despite many efforts by scholars, we have yet to unlock the secrets of this ancient form of writing. This mystery has only added to the allure of the civilization, leaving us with countless questions about their culture and knowledge. Agriculture played a key role in the economy. The fertile land around the Indus River allowed the people to grow crops like wheat, barley, and cotton, and they were skilled in animal husbandry, domesticating cattle, buffaloes, and sheep. The people of the Indus Valley were among the earliest to grow cotton, which makes them the pioneers of one of the world's most important industries today. However, despite its advancements, the civilization mysteriously declined around 1300 BCE. While many theories have